I'd say the number one tip for relationships is boundaries, 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 followed by clear communication and constantly checking in. One of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to dating is assuming that the person that they're dating 8 months into their relationship is the same person that they were dating when they first started. And it's just not the case, right? It's like as individuals, we grow into different people, which also means that we grow out of who we used to be. And a big part of that is being open and honest about your communication. You're communicating your needs, communicating what you don't like, really putting in place your boundaries and not just laying down your boundaries, but enforcing your boundaries when they start to get crossed. And then also setting time aside to check in with your partner. Like, for instance, I'm in a relationship right now, and every week, me and my partner, we have a check in. And in our check in, we always start with asking each other hard questions, questions like, what can I do to better serve your needs? Is there anything I can do to love you better now? Is there anything that I'm doing currently that you wish I would stop doing? And then we always just leave time at the end to really just sit there in reflection. One of our rules when it comes to those conversations is that we're allowed to listen to each other's quarrels with one another, but we're not allowed to directly respond. So, for instance, if my partner tells me there's something that I'm doing that she doesn't like, I'm not allowed to sit here and attack her or defend my position. All I'm allowed to do is listen. And then when it's my turn to speak, all I can do is tell her if there's anything she's doing that I don't like. That way, to make sure that in those conversations, no one feels attacked and it's actually a conducive conversation that helps us create a co-creative space that works for the both of us rather than having this weekly verbal judo shootout. That's not going to lead to any type of long lasting relationship.